Biesamets Asli at South Leeds like played Malia Furk.
This silk is of the finest quality, from the furthest reaches of the east.
Indeed, the craftsmanship is remarkable.
The main avenue will run east to west, intersecting with the agora here.
Transcription. How much for this silk?
This fine crimson is fit for Caesar himself, only 5 denarii.
5. I will give you 3.
But peace is fragile. The Persians burned the city, leaving the cathedral in ruins.
Tell me, esteemed scholars, what is the nature of true beauty?
Is it not found in the perfect verse, Your Highness?
Or
Get it down! Rip it all apart!
Best prices in all the souk, madam. This silk is fit for a queen.
It is beautiful, but the price is too high. Can you offer less?
And so, the brave captain sailed into the storm, his eyes fixed on the distant shore.
We've observed your trade routes with great interest.
Our port welcomes all who come in peace and for commerce.
An impressive structure, wouldn't you agree, Captain?
Indeed, General. The fortifications seem quite robust.
water truck. It's finally here.
Thank goodness, we're almost out.
Let's sing this song together. This is our last song.
Welcome to the Heritage House. Checking in?
Yes, reservation for Smith. The new interface looks great.
Thanks, just finished the wireframes.
Daifu baba support है बेचावती लोकल करगन है अरे भावना आपको बाबा ते गाने जे मसून तज
We come in peace to build a future together.
We welcome you. May this be a new dawn for our city.